Basic computer. Introduction to computer. Computer. A computer is an electronic machine that accepts data from the user, processes the data by performing calculations and operations on it, and generates the desired outcome or result. The is derived from the Latin word computere, which means to compute. The full form of the computer is common operating machine purposely used for technological and educational research. Computer is equal to arithmetic logical unit plus control unit. ALU, arithmetic logical unit, is used to carry out arithmetic, addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication, and logical operation. CU, control unit, is used to change the order of operations in response to stored information. What are the categories of computers? The computer can be categorized in the form of its way to process certain operations. The basic categories are as follows: digital computer, analog computer, hybrid computer. Computers are divided into two types: hardware, software. Parts of computer: CPU, central processing unit, monitor, keyboard, mouse. Parts of CPU: motherboard, processor, hard disk, RAM, random access memory, ROM, read-only memory, SMPS, switch mode power supply, cabinet. Types of computer. Computers can be broadly classified by their speed and computing power. Personal computer, workstation, mini computer, mainframe computer, supercomputer. PC, personal computer. It is a single-user computer system having moderately powerful microprocessor workstation. It is also a single-user computer system, similar to personal computer, however has a more powerful microprocessor. Mini computer, it is a multi-user computer system, capable of supporting hundreds of users simultaneously. Mainframe, it is a multi-user computer system, capable of supporting hundreds of users simultaneously. Software technology is different from mini computer. Supercomputer, it is an extremely fast computer, which can execute hundreds of millions of instructions per second. Computer generations. First generation of computer. The time period of the first generation computer is from 1946 to 1954. Vacuum tubes, also known as electronic valves, were used in the first generation computer. Was the digital computer. Examples of first-generation computer are Mark I and Electronic Numerical Integrator and Calculator, ENIAC. Second generation of computer. The time period of the second generation is from 1955 to 1964. Transistor was used in place of the vacuum tube in AR. Ferrite core was used for main memory and magnetic disks were used as a secondary memory in second-generation computers. The high-level language was used. Examples of second-generation computer: IBM 1620 and CDC 3600. Third generation of computer. The time period of the T is from 1964 to 1977. Integrated circuit, IC, chips were used in place of the transistor. A single integrated circuit, IC, chip can contain many transistors, registers, and capacitors. Examples of third-generation computer: IBM 360 and VAX 750. Fourth generation of computer. The time period of the fourth generation is from 1978 to 1990. In the fourth generation, VLSI was used. The full form of VLSI is a very large-scale integration. An integrated circuit chip which has more than 1000 components embedded is called VLSI. Personal computers were manufactured in this generation. Example of fourth generation: IBM PC and Apple Macintosh. Fifth generation of computer. The period of the fifth generation is from 1991 to the present. In the fifth generation, ULSI chips came in wave. The full form of ULSI is ultra-large scale integration. In the new technologies are introduced, for example AI, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Input device and out device. Input device. Keyboard, mouse, scanner, barcode scanner, microphone, light pen, trackball. Output device. Monitor, printer. Abbreviations related to computer. Candidates preparing for competitive exams should aware of some computer terms. These terms can directly asked in the online examination. Abbreviation. Full form. Computer. Common operating machine purposely used for technological and educational research. ROM. Read-only memory. CPU. Central Processing Unit. URL. Uniform Resource Locator. USB. Universal Serial Bus. Virus. Vital Information Resource under siege. TCP. Transmission Control Protocol. UPS. Uninterruptible Power Supply. SATA. Serial Advanced Technology Attachment. RAM. Random Access Memory. SMPS. Switched Mode Power Supply. CD. Compact Disc. DVD. Digital Versatile Disc. CRT. Cathode Ray Tube. DEC. Digital Equipment Corporation. SAP. System Application and Products. PNG. Portable Network Graphics. IP. Internet Protocol. GIS. Geographical Information System. DDS. Digital Data Storage. CAD. Computer-Aided Design. ACPI. Advanced Configuration and Power Interface. AGP. Accelerated Graphics Port. APM. Advanced Power Management. APIPA. Automatic Private Internet Protocol Addressing. HTTP. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTPS. Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. Software. Software is a set of programs designed to perform a well-defined function. A program is a sequence of instructions written to solve a particular problem. There are two types of software. System software. Application software. System software. The system software is a collection of programs designed to operate, control, and extend the processing capabilities of the computer itself. System software is generally prepared by the computer manufacturers. These software products comprise of programs written in low-level languages, which interact with the hardware at a very basic level. System software serves as the interface between the hardware and the end users. Some examples of system software are operating system, compilers, interpreter, assemblers, etc. Operating systems are Windows 7, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, Linux. Here is a list of some of the most prominent features of a system software. Close to the system. Fast in speed. Difficult to design. Difficult to understand. Less interactive. Smaller in size. Difficult to manipulate. Generally written in low-level language. Application software. Application software products are designed to satisfy a particular need of a particular environment. All software applications prepared in the computer lab can come under the category of application software. Application software may consist of a single program, such as Microsoft's Notepad for writing and editing a simple text. It may also consist of a collection of programs, often called a software package, which work together to accomplish a task, such as a spreadsheet package. Examples of application software are the following: payroll software, student record software, inventory management software, income tax software, railways reservation software, Microsoft Office suite software, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint. Features of application software are as follows: close to the user, easy to design, more interactive, slow in speed, generally written in high-level language, easy to understand, easy to manipulate and use, bigger in size and requires large storage space.
ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಚಂದಾದಾರರಾಗಿ. ನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಹೊಸ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳ ಅಧಿಸೂಚನೆಯನ್ನು ತಕ್ಷಣವೇ ಪಡೆಯಲು ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಒತ್ತಿರಿ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಲಹೆ ಮತ್ತು ತಿದ್ದುಪಡಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳ ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ.